Yeah, yeah. All right. This is my box here. You guys picked it. I don't know why I'm opening another box, but there it is. Yeah, that was a very expensive surgery. And he won't. I tell him he's got to learn a trade, right? I mean, he costs so much money. He's got to learn a trade. We spent like $250 when we bought him, and then we had to get him fixed. That was all money and all that pills and shots and all that crap. Then he's got to have the surgery and all that leading up to it. It's like $3,000. He needs to learn a trade. I think that's only fair. Cole Hamels, Aoki, Adam Jones, Jose Reyes, and wow. That shit right there. All right, whatever. Next. Not my finest moment ever. Alright. Paul Molitor, Sandy Koufax, Albert Pujols, Joe Morgan. Wow. Elvis Andrews to 20. Alright, that sucked. Moving on. I don't know. He's got to do something. He's got to learn a trade because it was just too damn expensive, dude. Jackie Robinson, Derek Jeter, Roy Halladay. Either that or I've got to sell him to the to the Koreans. Zach Kozar. That's a little better. Not much, but a little better. Wow. All right, this is supposed to be an on-card auto. It looks like it's one of the rare ones. Pedroia, Seaver, Aroyd, Ernie Banks, and be a nice one, be nice. Wow. John Kruk, 5 of 5 for the Phillies. Yeah, 5 of 5, that's nice-ish. John Kruk, the Phillies uniform. He's on ESPN. Carl Ravitch. All right, well, that's it.